I just wanted to do a little write up. My Garmin, I've put it. My Garmin, my Wahoo Element. I've put it back on with the original bracket, which goes on, and I bought one of these from eBay, and I don't know if you can see, but the very top bit of plastic has broke. What happened was as I was going down the road, I noticed the Wahoo started rattling, and it actually jumped out of the holder and bounced down the road. Luckily enough, I saved it before any cars came. But I just wanted to show how they fit, and it goes like that, which I thought would be a really good way. The only thing is, they supply plastic spacers. So this plastic spacer fits between the stem and the bracket, and what happens is, I don't know if you can see, but that's deformed slightly. What was happening was I was tightening it up, and the plastic was just pushing into the bracket, into that part. So it wasn't tough enough to hold the handlebars in place. And what happened as well was the handlebars actually dropped. Could have been quite dangerous. So that's what I thought I'd put it out, just to warn you if you get these. I mean, the thing is, I have bought some stuff from eBay and it's been really good. So it's a shame that this is let it down. But just be wary, if you buy this type of bracket, I think you should have metal spacers for sure. And I don't know about the quality of these, whether they're going to improve those for the Wahoo. It's got a Garmin adapter as well with all the other bits. Let's just show you them. Comes with quite a few mounts, and you could also put the GoPro underneath it, which is really good. So anyway, hope that helps you. Any questions or comments, let me know below.